What's up, everybody? It's your Kamar Milton, and a big surprise. My new dog. My new dog. I just got it. Like a day ago. And yeah, it is a pit bull, red nose. It is a girl. And yeah, she's a big girl. I gotta be honest. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new dog. Yeah, hope I want to get the video to, how about this, 10 likes, guys. That's how I'm maxing, 10 likes. And I want to get to 100 subscribers, and I really want to get to that by the end of February. I mean, if you guys can get me to that, I will appreciate anything you guys do, and have a blessed day.